The Audi Active Sphere concept, revealed in January 2023, is a cutting-edge electric vehicle that combines the practicality of a crossover with the sleekness of a sports car. Designed for adventure lovers, it features a smooth, aerodynamic design and a high-tech interior that can be customized for different driving needs. The best part? It can change from a stylish coupe to a rugged pickup truck with a versatile cargo bed, making it perfect for both everyday drives and outdoor trips. Packed with advanced technology, the Active Sphere offers augmented reality displays and self-driving features that make driving easier and more exciting. Inside, the interior is both simple and luxurious, using sustainable materials and featuring the latest infotainment systems. While Audi hasn't yet confirmed the price, it's expected to start around $80,000, which makes sense given its high-tech features and flexible design. Beijing Daxing International Airport, often called the Starfish, because of its unique shape, officially opened on September 25, 2019, with a ceremony led by Chinese President Xi Jinping. Located between Beijing and Langfang in Hebei Province, this massive airport was built to reduce congestion at Beijing Capital International Airport and meet the rising demand for air travel in China. Designed to handle up to 100 million passengers and 2 million tons of cargo every year, the airport features 4 runways and a giant terminal covering 700,000 square meters. Despite its enormous size, it's built for convenience. Passengers can walk to any gate in just 8 minutes. Daxing Airport is packed with high-tech features, including facial recognition for fast security checks, self-service kiosks for quick check-ins, and an advanced baggage system. It also focuses on sustainability, using eco-friendly energy solutions to reduce its carbon footprint. Computational lithography is a high-tech process used in making computer chips. It relies on advanced algorithms and simulations to improve how tiny circuit patterns are printed onto silicon wafers. Since these patterns are incredibly small, traditional methods struggle with issues like light diffraction and physical distortions. Computational lithography helps solve these problems, making the printing process more precise and efficient. This technology plays a big role in keeping Moore's Law alive, the idea that computer chips keep getting smaller and more powerful over time. By fine-tuning the manufacturing process, it allows companies to produce chips with better performance while reducing defects. This means faster, more efficient devices for everything from smartphones to supercomputers. One of the biggest names in this field is ASML, a company leading the way in nanoscale manufacturing. Their innovations push the limits of what's possible, helping the tech industry create better chips at a larger scale. The Da Vinci Sci surgical system is a high-tech robotic assistant designed to help doctors perform surgeries with extreme precision. It doesn't replace surgeons, but enhances their skills by giving them better control, flexibility, and a magnified 3D view of the operation. Using tiny instruments controlled by a surgeon from a console, it allows for smaller incisions, less pain, and faster recovery compared to traditional surgery. This system is widely used in complex procedures like heart, prostate, and gynecological surgeries. The robotic arms move with incredible accuracy, reducing the risk of complications. The surgeon controls every movement in real time, making it feel like an extension of their own hands. With advanced imaging and smooth maneuverability, it helps reach difficult areas inside the body with minimal disruption to surrounding tissues. Patients benefit from shorter hospital stays and quicker healing, while doctors gain unmatched precision. EOS X Space is shaking up the world of travel by offering a new kind of adventure, space tourism. By 2025, this company plans to take passengers on an unforgettable 5-hour journey to the edge of space, reaching an altitude of 40,000 meters, 40 kilometers. The ride will be in a luxurious capsule that's lifted by an eco-friendly helium balloon. Inside, you'll find panoramic windows for jaw-dropping views, comfy seats, a bar, and even a bathroom, making the trip both thrilling and comfortable. Operating in Europe, the UAE, and America, EOS X Space is making space tourism more accessible than ever. The price tag for this once-in-a-lifetime experience is between €150,000 and $200,000, though that's a small price to pay for seeing Earth from space. This futuristic venture is leading the way for space travel to become a reality for people beyond astronauts and scientists, as companies like EOSX Space push the boundaries of what's possible. The Naval Blue Shark is a powerful, high-tech torpedo designed to take down enemy submarines with precision. Built for modern naval warfare, this lightweight weapon is packed with advanced technology, allowing it to track, chase, and strike underwater targets with deadly accuracy. It's used by warships and helicopters, making it a versatile tool for defending against stealthy submarine threats. Equipped with smart guidance systems, the Blue Shark can adjust its course in real time, ensuring it stays locked onto its target even if the enemy tries to escape. It moves fast, dives deep, and delivers a strong punch upon impact. Designed to work in various sea conditions, it's effective in both shallow and deep waters, making it a reliable choice for navies worldwide. With cutting-edge sensors and powerful propulsion, this torpedo enhances a military's ability to protect its waters. As submarine warfare becomes more advanced, weapons like the Blue Shark play a key role in maintaining security. Expo 2025 Osaka is a global event that will take place in Osaka, Japan, from April 13th to October 13th, 2025. Organized by the Bureau International des Expositions, BIE, this 6-month showcase will bring together countries from around the world to share ideas, innovations, and cultural experiences. This will be Osaka's 3rd time hosting a World Expo, following previous events in 1970 and 1990. The expo will be held on Yumeshima, an artificial island in Osaka Bay, covering 155 hectares. The site is being designed as a futuristic, eco-friendly city with renewable energy, smart transportation, and sustainable architecture. With an expected 28 million visitors, including over 6 million international guests, it will be one of the biggest global gatherings of the year. Expo 2025 is more than just an exhibition. The Fen Super is a next-level foldable helmet designed for ultimate safety, convenience, and style. Whether you're biking through the city or commuting to work, this helmet keeps you protected while being incredibly easy to carry. Unlike bulky traditional helmets, the Fen Super folds down to nearly half its size, making it perfect for slipping into a backpack or bag. Built with high-quality materials, it meets top safety standards without compromising on comfort. The design includes breathable vents to keep you cool, and the snug fit ensures security without feeling too tight. It's lightweight yet durable, making it ideal for daily use. What makes the Fen Super stand out is its modern, minimalistic look combined with smart functionality. It's perfect for urban riders who want a mix of safety and convenience without sacrificing style. Whether you're a casual cyclist or a daily commuter, this helmet offers protection and portability like never before. A massive new sports complex is taking shape in Hangzhou, China, set to open in 2025. Designed by the renowned Zaha Hadid architects, this futuristic venue will be a game changer for sports and entertainment in the city. Located in Hangzhou's upcoming Science and Technology Cultural District, it will be well connected to the city's expanding metro network, making it easily accessible. The complex will include a 60,000-seat football stadium, a 19,000-seat indoor arena, and an aquatic center with 2 Olympic-sized pools. Built to support the city's growing population, it will be open to both professional and amateur athletes. It's also set to host major global sporting events like the Asian Games and possibly even the FIFA World Cup. Beyond the sports facilities, the area will be surrounded by beautiful riverfront parks, public plazas, and a well-planned drainage system with wetlands along the riverbank. Glen Flight is a compact and innovative personal aircraft designed for adventure enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its sleek and lightweight design, it offers smooth maneuverability and impressive speed, making it perfect for both recreational flying and quick commutes. Equipped with advanced aerodynamics and powerful propulsion, it ensures a stable and efficient flight experience. Its user-friendly controls and modern safety features provide reliability, while the efficient fuel system or electric-powered options make it an eco-friendly choice. Whether soaring through open skies or navigating urban airspace, Glen Flight redefines personal aviation with style and performance. The Goodyear Aero is a game-changing tire that could turn cars into flying machines. Designed for both road and air travel, this futuristic concept allows vehicles to switch seamlessly between driving and flying, offering a whole new way to move. Imagine skipping traffic and soaring straight to your destination with ease. What sets the Goodyear Aero apart is its smart, airless design. Instead of traditional rubber tires, it has flexible spokes that can tilt and act as propellers when needed, lifting the vehicle off the ground. Plus, it uses magnetic propulsion, meaning it spins at high speeds without friction or wear, making it more durable and efficient. Beyond just movement, the Aero is packed with intelligent technology. It can communicate with your car and the surrounding environment, helping ensure safe and smooth travel. While this tire is still a concept, it represents a bold step toward a future where flying cars become a reality. The Laser Interferometer Space Antenna, LISA, is an exciting space mission set to launch in the mid-2030s. Led by the European Space Agency, ESA, with help from NASA, it will be the first space-based observatory designed to detect gravitational waves, ripples in space-time caused by massive cosmic events. LISA will consist of 3 spacecraft flying in a triangular formation, millions of miles apart. Using ultra-precise lasers, it will measure tiny changes in distance between them, picking up signals from cataclysmic events like merging supermassive black holes and neutron star collisions. Unlike ground-based observatories, LISA's location in space will allow it to detect waves at much lower frequencies, revealing cosmic secrets that were previously out of reach. This mission will give us a brand new way to explore the universe, helping scientists better understand gravity, the formation of galaxies, and the very nature of space-time. The Gulfstream G400 Stir is the smallest jet from the famous American business jet maker, Gulfstream. With a spacious cabin of 26.3 meters, 86.3 feet, it offers a roomy and comfortable flight experience. This jet is part of the large cabin class, making it perfect for long trips and business travel. However, it's still going through a detailed flight testing and certification process, so it isn't officially certified yet. Gulfstream plans to have the G400 certified and ready for production by 2025. Once it's fully certified, the Gulfstream G400 Star will compete in the same market as other high-end jets like the Dassault Falcon 2000, Bombardier Global 5000, and Embraer Legacy 600 series. This jet is designed with luxury, performance, and comfort in mind, making it ideal for those who want a top-tier travel experience. Harbin Culture Island is a stunning cultural hub designed by mad architects, set in a beautiful riverside wetland north of the Songhua River. Covering 1.8 square kilometers, this architectural wonder blends Chinese and Russian influences, creating a space that feels both modern and deeply connected to nature. Its design is inspired by snow-covered mountains, with smooth white aluminum, stone, and concrete surfaces that reflect natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting. At the heart of the complex is a grand theater with 1,600 seats, a smaller hall for intimate performances, and a VIP lounge with elegantly curved acrylic lamps. Every space is designed to be visually stunning and immersive. What makes Harbin Culture Island truly unique is how it seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor experiences. Visitors can enjoy breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape while exploring world-class art and performances. The Lilium Jet is a revolutionary electric aircraft that's changing the way we think about flying. It takes off vertically, just like a helicopter, but can fly as fast as a jet. With 30 motors placed in its wings and a special aerodynamic design, it achieves a perfect balance of lift and minimal air resistance. What makes it even more impressive is how efficient its batteries are. During cruising, the jet uses only 10% of its power, making it very energy efficient. Unlike other electric planes designed for short city flights, the Lilium Jet is built for longer, interregional journeys, helping passengers save time on their trips. Not only is the Lilium Jet fast and efficient, but it's also environmentally friendly. It produces zero emissions and operates almost silently, offering a quieter and cleaner alternative to traditional aircraft. This combination of speed, sustainability, and innovation makes the Lilium Jet an exciting glimpse into the future of air travel. Microsoft's Project Silica is changing the way we think about long-term data storage. Developed by Microsoft Research, it uses silica glass, a type of quartz, which is both durable and eco-friendly. Unlike traditional magnetic storage that wears out over time, silica glass is immune to electromagnetic fields and can hold data for tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of years. This innovative technology can store up to 7 terabytes of data on a single piece of glass. To put that in perspective, that's enough to hold about 1.75 million songs or 3,500 movies. Not only does it offer incredible storage capacity, but it's also a more sustainable and cost-effective solution compared to current methods. As data storage needs continue to grow, Project Silica provides an exciting way to store massive amounts of information safely for future generations. By using quartz glass, Microsoft is leading the way in data preservation. The Mira Safety MOP1 CBRN protective suit is designed to keep you safe from biological, chemical, and nuclear threats. It's similar to the suits used by the US Army, providing top-notch protection for at least 30 days. Despite its powerful features, the suit is lightweight, weighing just 2.5 kilograms, making it comfortable to wear even for long periods. What makes this suit even more practical is its durability. It can handle up to 10 decontamination washes at 40 degrees Celsius, ensuring it stays effective and ready for use whenever you need it. Whether you're preparing for an emergency or working in dangerous environments, the MOP1 suit is a reliable choice that outperforms many military-grade models. This suit offers great peace of mind, knowing you have reliable protection against CBRN risks. It's available for purchase, so you can stay prepared for whatever challenges might come your way.